Chapter 3: Atmospheric Effects. Earth's rotation creates a bulge at the equator, resulting in a slightly flattened shape. This bulge is caused by centrifugal force, which pulls objects away from the axis of rotation. If the Earth were to suddenly stop rotating, this bulge would dissipate, leading to significant atmospheric effects. The dissipation of the equatorial bulge would lead to changes in the distribution of mass on the planet, affecting the distribution of the Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere moves in lockstep with the Earth's rotation, so any change in the rotation of the planet would cause significant atmospheric disturbances. As a result, the sudden stoppage of the Earth's rotation would have a severe impact on weather patterns and climate across the globe. The dissipation of the equatorial bulge would cause the Earth's atmosphere to redistribute itself around the planet. This redistribution would cause the air to flow from the poles towards the equator, resulting in a change in global wind patterns. Areas that were previously dominated by westerly winds would now experience easterly winds, and areas that were dominated by easterly winds would experience westerly winds. These changes would have a significant impact on global weather patterns, potentially leading to more extreme weather events like hurricanes and typhoons. In addition to changes in wind patterns, the sudden stoppage of the Earth's rotation would also cause changes in the distribution of ocean currents. The equatorial bulge causes the trade winds to blow towards the west, which in turn drives ocean currents towards the west. Without this driving force, the ocean currents would start to flow towards the east, leading to a significant redistribution of heat and nutrients around the planet. This could have a profound impact on global marine ecosystems, potentially leading to the extinction of many species of fish and other aquatic animals. The sudden stoppage of the Earth's rotation could also lead to increased seismic activity. The redistribution of mass caused by the dissipation of the equatorial bulge could lead to changes in the stress distribution on the planet's crust, potentially leading to an increase in earthquakes and volcanic activity. The redistribution of mass could also cause the planet's rotation axis to shift, potentially leading to significant changes in the location of the planet's magnetic poles. In summary, the atmospheric effects of the sudden stoppage of the Earth's rotation would be far-reaching and profound. Changes in wind patterns, ocean currents, and climate would have significant impacts on global ecosystems and weather patterns. The redistribution of mass could also lead to increased seismic activity, potentially causing widespread destruction and loss of life. It is crucial that we continue to study and understand the mechanisms of our planet's rotation to better protect ourselves from such catastrophic events. Chapter 4: Long-term effects. The sudden stoppage of the Earth's rotation would have profound long-term effects on the planet and its inhabitants. One of the most significant long-term effects would be the impact on the planet's magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field is generated by the motion of molten iron in the planet's core. This motion is driven by the convection of heat, which is in turn driven by the rotation of the planet. If the Earth were to stop rotating, the convection of heat would slow down, leading to a reduction in the strength of the planet's magnetic field. A weaker magnetic field would have significant consequences for life on Earth. The magnetic field helps to protect the planet from the solar wind, a stream of charged particles that is constantly blowing from the sun. Without the protection of the magnetic field, the Earth's atmosphere would be eroded by the solar wind, leading to a significant loss of atmospheric gases like oxygen and nitrogen. The loss of atmospheric gases would have a catastrophic impact on life on Earth. Living organisms depend on the atmosphere for their survival, and a significant loss of atmospheric gases could lead to mass extinctions. In addition to the loss of atmospheric gases, the increased exposure to solar radiation would also have a significant impact on living organisms. The radiation would cause genetic mutations, leading to an increased risk of cancer and other diseases. The lack of rotation would also have significant effects on the length of the day and night. The Earth's rotation is responsible for the 24-hour cycle of day and night that we experience. Without the rotation, the length of the day and night would be determined solely by the position of the sun in the sky. This would have significant consequences for living organisms, particularly those that depend on daylight for their survival. Plants, for example, rely on daylight for photosynthesis, and a significant reduction in the amount of daylight could lead to a reduction in plant growth and productivity. Similarly, Many animals rely on daylight for activities like hunting and mating, and a significant reduction in the amount of daylight could lead to a decline in their populations. In conclusion, the long-term effects of the sudden stoppage of the Earth's rotation would be far-reaching and catastrophic. The impact on the planet's magnetic field would lead to a significant loss of atmospheric gases, increased exposure to solar radiation, and potentially, mass extinctions. The changes in the length of the day and night would also have significant consequences for living organisms, potentially leading to a decline in plant and animal populations. It is crucial that we continue to study and understand the mechanisms of the Earth's rotation to better protect ourselves from such catastrophic events. Chapter 5. Conclusions. The hypothetical scenario of the Earth stopping its rotation is a terrifying thought, with catastrophic effects on infrastructure, weather patterns, climate, and life on Earth. However, it is essential to remember that this scenario is purely hypothetical, and the likelihood of it happening is virtually non-existent. Despite this, it is crucial to continue studying the Earth's rotation and its effects on life on Earth. The Earth's rotation plays a vital role in shaping our planet, from the creation of day and night to the generation of the magnetic field that protects us from solar radiation. Understanding these processes is essential in protecting ourselves and our planet from potential catastrophic events. Furthermore, studying the Earth's rotation can help us better understand the evolution of life on Earth. The changing length of day and night, the shifting weather patterns, and the redistribution of mass caused by the rotation all play a role in shaping the development of life on our planet. By studying these processes, we can gain a better understanding of the past, present, and future of life on Earth. In conclusion, while the scenario of the Earth stopping its rotation is a frightening thought, it is crucial to remember that it is purely hypothetical. Nevertheless, studying the Earth's rotation and its effects on life on our planet is essential in protecting ourselves and our planet from potential catastrophic events and gaining a better understanding of the evolution of life on Earth. Thank you for watching this video on the hypothetical scenario of Earth stopping its rotation. I hope you found it informative and thought-provoking. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. By subscribing, you'll be notified when we release new videos on interesting and educational topics. Also, please share this video with your friends and family who you think might find it interesting. Sharing helps us reach more people and spread knowledge about fascinating scientific concepts. Lastly, don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and engaging. Your likes help us reach a wider audience and create more high-quality content for you to enjoy. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to bringing you more great videos in the future.